Dear students, now we will see the fixed versus device topic. So really fixed viewport widths are historical. Resizing by default was an attempt to shoehorn the desktop web into a mobile device. Fixed viewport sizes were a quick way to provide some minimal controls on that resizing. With device width gets us back to the same scalable sized canvas that the desktop web has. So the right way to do fluid flexible design in the modern mobile web starts with this tag. This marker lets the browser know you're one of the cool kids and you know what you are doing. There are also minimum scale and maximum scale properties too, which is a way to limit the extents that the system is allowed to scale the page on the device. That seems a little esoteric at first, but there is one use that I wanted to mention. I don't want you to think that I am biased. So after describing how you need to add initial scale for iOS to work as expected, I wanted to give equal time for Android. If your page with device width happens to forcibly overflow the page like this page where I have added an element that's very wide, Android will actually do some rescaling when you change screen orientation to try to get the whole page to fit onto the screen. Now unfortunately it gets it wrong and it tries to zoom it the wrong way. Now the only way that I found to get around this other than not overflowing the screen to begin with is to set the minimum scale and maximum scale properties to 1, which will prevent the user from zooming altogether as well as disabling automatic scaling. Let's do that in the DevTools now. Now let's try rotating again. We are back to normal here, and now you see that even in landscape mode we get the proper width. Now the problem with this of course is I cannot zoom anymore. We really don't want to disable zooming. For your users this is an accessibility problem, so don't do this in production pages, but it can help your testing. In general, just don't overflow the page and you will be good.